were for us for sure to transfer the
So hey guys,
Lamborghini
the only
DNA in
2024
electrified
Lamborghini Revuelto
on
is
one hand,
our
we have
new
the
model,
Revuelto.
and the Revuelto is the Lamborghini first step into the world of the electric car. It's replacing the Aventador, but it is not that fully electric yet. That's coming with a Lanzador in 2028, and the new car has a 3 electric motor and a big V12 gas engine. Lamborghini called it the
They wanted to
HPEV, which
embrace
means
this
it's a
cabin, and they
hybrid that's
wanted
made
to
for high
celebrate
performance
the
car,
engine,
and
because
the
you got
electric
radiator
motors
air
help
intakes in
the
the
gas
front to
engine,
have
making the car
surfaces
faster and
big
easier
enough
to
to create
handle.
downforce
So
on
if
the
you are the
front of
first
the
time in my
cars.
Auto MT
We
YouTube channel,
found
so
this
please
in
subscribe our
with the
YouTube
first
channel for
design
upcoming car
sketches,
news.
and I said
So
this is the
unlike
design that
the
I want
old
for the rear.
Aventador, which was heavy and hard to control at high speed, and Revuelto feels lighter and more manageable. It's because of the electric motor and the way they work with a gas engine. The Revuelto has a small battery that changes quickly. You can charge it fully in just 30 minutes with a special charger, or even faster when you brake and use the gas engine. The car is big change for Lamborghini, so they can make uh, powerful car that also care about the environment. It is a step forward their future plans, where they will be making more electric cars, and they all the makers think they in move out to electric versions in just 2030. All supercars, etc., normal cars, sedans, SUV, etc., all segment car will be gone in electric version in 2030. So guys, thank you for watching my video. In this video I have only this information about the 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto, and if you want more updated news about this car, so please subscribe our Auto MT YouTube channel. I will share the best detail for you. Thank you guys. If you want more, thank you, subscribe.